Welcome, children. Today we are going to learn a listening comprehension on an orange. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon below to get latest updates. And yes, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with others. I am an orange. I am an orange. I am orange in color. I am orange in color. I am sour and sweet in taste. I am sour and sweet in taste. I grow in winter season. I grow in winter season. I have many seeds. I have many seeds. I have vitamin C. I have vitamin C. I am very juicy. I am very juicy. Okay, let's try to answer the following. Which fruit are we talking about? Which fruit are we talking about?
It is an orange.
Correct. It's an orange. What is the color of this fruit? What is the color of this fruit?
It is orange in color.
Correct. It is orange in color. How is the taste of this fruit? How is the taste of this fruit?
It is sweet and sour in taste.
Yes, it is sweet and sour in taste. When does the fruit grow? When does the fruit grow?
It grows in winter season.
Yes, it grows in winter season. How many seeds does the fruit have? How many seeds does the fruit have?
It has many seeds.
Correct, it has many seeds. Which vitamin does the fruit have? Which vitamin does the fruit have?
It has vitamin C.
Correct, it has vitamin C. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please stay connected to our channel on YouTube and our Facebook page ILC Academy Learning Made Easy. And yes, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with others. Your appreciation means a lot for us. See you all in next video, so stay tuned. Bye bye.